Hello and welcome to the SmartBear Community Heroes Awards 2021.
Hi everybody, and congratulations to everyone who's nominated tonight.
Today we celebrate the knowledge and the great willingness to share it across the SmartBear community. Today we celebrate the SmartBear Community Heroes 2021.
You contributed for the entire year. You went above and beyond to make the SmartBear community the great place it is.
Having you in the SmartBear community is a big honor for us. And it's also a big honor for us to announce your names here today, staying on this stage. So are we ready, Sonia?
Yep, we are! Woohoo! I'm ready!
And the SmartBear Community Heroes Awards 2021
goes to...